We see this sideways trend on Reliance for quite a long while. Nothing much happening on the stock. Now 1253. What are the medium term charts telling you? We've already had a 24-25% correction from its most recent high of 1600. Is the worst over?
See, overall, looking at the broader term time frame, there has been a very steep fall in this counter, and also we are not witnessing a very strong buying traction. But definitely in the last 2 weeks, there has been some kind of consolidation. But looking at the technical parameters, all the formations or the base foundation is forming below the significant EMAs. So after a very long after a very long time, the counter have started gaining some traction in the last four trading sessions and has emerged above the 20-day EMA. So that is the first positive development, but overall the view remains on the sidelines because we are having a bearish gap around the zone of 1270 odd levels. So until we breach the zone of 1270, the view remains on the sidelines. Only above 1270 odd levels, one can look for buying opportunity in Reliance. Till that time, there can be some subdued movement from the zone of 1270 towards 1220 in the short term period.
Okay. Let's again look at some of the other stocks that are catching our attention. Um, Reliance Industries is up by about 1%, and there are a slew of brokerage houses that are penciling in higher targets for Reliance today. So Bernstein gave an outperform rating with a target price of 1520. Jefferies has a buy call with a target of 1690. Now we do know that Reliance has had a negative year in 2024, the first one in last 10 years. But let's see how it goes. Let's get Gaurang in right here. Gaurang, tell us, how are you looking at Reliance Industries for this new year? And do you think finally those buzz around probably a geo listing coming in, some of the IPOs that we've been waiting for, could that get the party started again for Reliance Industries and the investors of this stock?
Well, I hope, this is generally, actually what I have realized is that the managements follow their own wisdom. Markets expect a lot. You saw what happened last year, ITC demerger that we were just talking about, hotel business. Market was talking about it for pretty long. But when it happened and according to what the management decided. It didn't happen the way the market wanted it to be. And then the stock got punished. So, hiving off businesses and listing them as a separate entity, I think we'll have to leave it to the management, respective management, and their own wisdom and their fine sense of judgment. I don't think management would do what the market wants them to do. They will do it everything. So on Reliance Industries, we are still maintaining. I think closer to 1200, wherever the stock is trading, 12, 1250, 1225. It's a great long-term investment idea. We are maintaining targets of 1500 plus as of now. Like we mentioned, you, me, and Shell at the kickoff of the program this morning, that we are going to enter earning season from tomorrow and from next week, thick and thin, and it will last for maybe about next 3-4 weeks or maybe more. Reliance Industries numbers is something that we are extremely excited to look at, and the statements and the commentary. See, hiving off unlocks value, and it triggers some new rejuvenated interest. But we maintain a positive stance on Reliance, like I mentioned, and the target is, as of now, 1500 plus.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.